guys, today I am in my Hima universe. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the drone. So let's get started. First thing ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ 1600 rupees. ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾನು PA drone ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Instead I got this stupid drone which was P5. ಇದು P5 ಡ್ರೋನು. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾನ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಡವು. ಇದು ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನೂ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಡವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾವು ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬಟನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಡ್ರೋನ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಟುಡೇಸ್ videos drone. This is going to be awesome, but I still didn't learn how to fly. Anyways, let's go. So this is the drone we're going to be opening. We already opened the cover, so we're going to keep it like this. And Kulja Simpson. Oh my gosh, guys, this might be a haul. So this time we got a Drone Pro. This is cool. I mean, this is really cool. I'm gonna open it. Well, this is how we actually fully open a drone. This is the drone. Now, this is the remote. Unlike this remote has a mobile opener. You see these two grips here? There are two here. I'm gonna just pull it down, and this is where you hold the mobile. I mean, this is pretty interesting, right? And anyways, first let's go over the features which make this drone really good. First, it's very protective. I mean, actually I flied this drone before and it fell from the 2-story building and somehow survived. And I also dashed it to the ceiling you see on the. And then this camera is actually really cool. By the way, this it's not really good that much 4K type. I don't recommend you buy this for 4K filming tharadu. And then there's also a down camera. I'm gonna show you how to all access this in just a few minutes later in the video. And it's written here Drone Pro. Well, that's all it for the outer features. I'm wondering what's the battery. This is the battery. You see this button here. This button kanistadya. I just do this and it will come out. Now this is the battery, and this is all will come here. Inside this you will get the ESP37 and components. I mean, two ESP37 and components inside the drone, and the charging cables will come, and the accessories will come here, which I'll show you in the later in the video. Now that is all for the outer part of this drone. Now I'm gonna show you how to connect these to the remote and this. So first, you see the on button here, you hold it, and now it started blinking. Now I pressed the on button on this, so that means it is now connected to it. Now this you see on the left side of the pan when you hold it like this. If you do this up, it will start rotating. And if you press this, it will gonna go launch up to the sky, which I recommend. Don't try that. You see YouTube and do it. Well, now that's it. Well, you'll get these blue LEDs on the front and back. Actually, these front lights are really good. I recommend you buy this because the front lights might be very helpful in night if you are seeing things. Now let's turn it back off. Yet another long press will give it an off. Now this that's all. Now let's go over the accessories which I was talking about earlier. these accessories are not normal accessories. You need to understand them very hard. I mean, it's easy. First of all, you'll find the first 4 wings in this. See, this is the first wing, second wing, third wing, and the fourth wing. I mean, you just pull this thing out the side. If you see in real life, you'll understand. In Kitputu, you just need to pluck it out and put the new one. Well, that's with that accessories. And also get a screwdriver in case you need to remove the screws if something had happened to your drone. See, this hole is filled with a nut, so I will use this to open it like that. Next step is these guards which you put here so the mud won't hit the ground. In case you are flying in the in case it's a muddy platform and you wanted to fly it, it's like that. And I'll show you how to cook it. Look, you see this part down. The part that goes down will be like this, and you see whenever you see this side, this part should come to the outer side, and then you just need to keep it like that. In the down, you'll find these. You'll find the 2 latches. You find these 2 latches, so you just keep it go down, and you hit it, and it will be connected to your drone. And that's all with accessories. Now let's see how to connect this Wi-Fi thing to the drone. First, we'll clean up all the accessories in a second. See, a clap could do it. Okay guys, so ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. Just go to Play Store. Then you go to the smooth search and go to search. And you see here it's written drone apps. You can try drone apps, or you can write Wi-Fi. You can write Wi-Fi cam. Wi-Fi cam, and you'll find this drone app. And you just click on it, install it. And this drone app connects to this. You'll get it in the things. We lost it while we were trying to open. You can if you buy a different drone, you can try this or any other things. First it will appear exactly like this and stuff. And right now it's 98% done. Yeah. Everything will actually connect really good, well. It's 3.6 rating, but it's actually really good. I can give it a 5-star. I'll give it a 5-star. Right now it's open, so I just click on open. You can write anything on this. I'm gonna only this time. I hate these ads actually, not kidding. So now you see it's like this. So now we on the drone. Now it's that blinking. We get out of the app. You go here. You go to your internet. You just go to the internet you're in, disconnect it. Then there will be no internet. You off your mobile data. You'll find like this Wi-Fi 8K and something for you. I click on it, and now it's connected. So now it was done. And now I go to Wi-Fi cam, and you get the notification. Now I click on store, and now you see that is whatever I'm seeing is what you're seeing. See, you saw the fan? Yeah, that's a fan. And I told you it's very low quality. See, I told you it's very low quality. And that's it for today's video. And by the way, I'm gonna show you what all of the features are there in the app. First, you get the video record thing. First, if you press this, wait a minute, you just press this and it will work. Now right now I off the drone, so it's not working. If you press this, it will work. This is to take a photo. In this, it will show what all videos you have done. I had done, but I installed it. And then you see this thing. This will allow you to access the different ports. Before that, I need to go to turn it on again. Okay, guys. So I'm back online with this Wi-Fi 8K connected. So you see. Now this is connected, it's seeing whatever I am seeing. So I move it like this, it sees, and now you can see my face like that. But how you change it to the different angle? You see this, first I'm going to show you the recording. See, now it started recording. See, now this is to take the picture, and this will change the camera. See, I changed it, and see, that was to change the camera. So now you can see the down things which you see, which I see. Well, that's all it from the apps. Now I'm gonna show you this thing. Now I check two photos. This is for the photo. This is for the video. I go for the photo. See, this was the one photo, and this was the other photo. And I showed you this video. See, it's very low quality. I did this video, and also with the app. Well, you can also try it when you fly. I mean, I did crazy ideas before I deleted all these things. Well, that's all it with the app. Okay, guys, if you liked today's video, please like, share, and subscribe to Himo Universal.